To add cost basis on Coinledger, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Transactions page. This is where you will find a list of all your cryptocurrency transactions, including buys, sells, and transfers. Next, identify the transaction for which you want to add the cost basis. This is typically a buy transaction, as it represents the initial purchase of the cryptocurrency. Click on the transaction to view its details. In the Transaction Details page, look for the Cost Basis field. This field may be empty or display a default value. To add the correct cost basis, click on the Edit button next to the field. Enter the correct cost basis, which is the original purchase price of the cryptocurrency, including any fees. You can find this information in your records or by checking the transaction confirmation email from the exchange or wallet where you made the purchase. After entering the cost basis, click Save to update the transaction. Coinledger will use this information to calculate your gains and losses when you sell the cryptocurrency. It is essential to accurately add the cost basis for each transaction to ensure the correctness of your tax reports. Best practice is to keep detailed records of all your transactions, including receipts and invoices, to make it easier to add the cost basis later. Additionally, consider using the bulk edit feature if you have multiple transactions with the same cost basis. This feature allows you to update multiple transactions at once, saving you time and effort. By following these steps and best practices, you can accurately add cost basis on Coinledger and ensure compliance with tax regulations. Remember to review your transactions regularly and update the cost basis as needed to maintain accurate records.